Emakhosini Camagu Lesedi Lekhanya. Please don't forget to like and subscribe umhlambululi umme Onika. Yazi ngithithi nginake kakhulu kuyi candle reading. Angithi kuthiwa nomthetho weshoba, kunomthetho wenkonzo, kunomthetho weBhayibheli, umthetho wenkonzo, yes, umthetho wempande. So manje nayikhandlela inomthetho wayo. So ngizokhuluma concerning ama questions iningi lenu eningibuza ngawo. Now ngicela siqale ngekhandlela. Ama colors wamakhandlela awongamelwe ama energies walawo makhala. Go through Google search and then search the color green spiritually meaning, the color red spiritual meaning, the green color spiritual meaning. So same as ikhandlela, but with the candle yini eyenza ukuthi ikhandlela libe namandla wokuphendula. I don't need to miss this information. I mustn't miss this information ukuthi ngingayikhulumi. Ikhandlela akusiyona inkolo yabantu abamnyama. Thina singabantu sinalento yokubukela ama movie, yokungena endaweni ezivula another spiritual eye. So nathi ngokulokusi light amakhandlela sizifaka kwelinye izinga lwaka spiritual world esingalazi. Now that's when ke nami amathongo ami wangukuka wathi hey kunobungozi. Ubungozi bakhona ukuthi uyalayita lekhandlela ngisho nanoma likuphendula awuliboni. Fana nokuthi ulayitile nje. You understand? So now the color candles wonke ngisho neindwangu esizigcokayo, indwangu esinazo, the most powerful ewongamele wonke lamakhandlela is the white candle. Namatswayi nanoma angaba amatswayi we different color we wash, the thing is the white salt yiyo. Rough salt, white, yes. So ingakho ngithanda ukukhulekisa ukufundisa abantu nge-white candle. Because of the other colors zizoba umgozi obukhulu. If you can go through ama video amakhandlela, you will see ukuthi abantu balwa ngamakhandlela abovu kungafanelanga ukuthi balwe. So now it's more like you are provoking ama spirits angakunakile. Indaba yakho ukuthi uzithola usenkingeni iwe namadlozi akho nomsamo wakho wena uloku usukela abantu ukuthi bakuthakatha. No, akulunganga emsamweni. So now asingeneni amakhandlela, the type of candles enikhalayo ngawo. Asiqaleni ngekhandlela leli elikhalayo. Once ubona ikhandlela elikhalayo kuyimi nje uma ngifaka abantu esikolweni sikamoya, not ngibafaka abasesikolweni sikamoya, bazokutshela akunakhandlela elikhalayo. You know why? Because of ngiyafundisa ukuthi uma uye ekhandleleni you must be prepared for ikhandlela, and one prayer point at a time. So uma uyokhulekisa izinto eziyi10 ekhandleleni elilodwa lizokhala, libonisa likhipha vulnerable bakho, libonisa ukuthi awukho in a right state of mind. Ukhuleka ngekhandlela so uyakhala awukho right awuphola. Ingakho ikhandlela lakho likuphi inyembezi liyakurespond ukuthi uyakhala, akunakuthi idlozi lakho yile likhalayo. Umdali uyakhala phezulu kwekhandlela, amathongo akho ayakhala phezulu kwekhandlela. No ways. ikhandlela mawuya one prayer point lona self lizokubonisa what kusho ukuthi imagine mawukhulekela izinto ezi10 and then ikhandlela likuphi answer yento eyi1 ezwile uzoba confused and singabantu sathanda ukukhulekela izinto ezi10 kanti wena kunale main one oyibhekile once uthola le oyibona ngathi useless appreciate boyibalelana so uyayibona ukuthi kwamele uzilele lokho okukhulekelayo ikhandlela awukwazi ukulileta kayi1 bese uphume kulo liyinhlolo uma ngidecide ukukhuleka kule khandlela namhlanje kwamele ngichubeke ngoba angeke ngiliyeke le khandlela namhlanje kusho ukuthi uma ngikhuleka ngalo manje lizongipha ianswer there and there liyongipha ianswer layo and then leyo answer leyo still isa confuse uthi ngikhulekela ukukhanya likubonisa amathunzi amnyama likubonisa isilwane awukungacedi ngalo kwamele ubuyele futhi uyokhuluma nalo ukuthi ngivezelwe okuthize ngaloko isimo sayo sivelaphi macala kuphi kabo baba kabo mama noma isimo esivela ngapha siza ukubolisa ingakho ngithi you can have white candle one white candle ulikhulekise the whole month ulokufunana nayo ukuthi we are too lazy South Africans when it comes to izinto zikamoya ufuna ukuyenza lokho okufundisa ugobela ufuna ukuyenza lokho okupreacher umfundisi no bishop kuphela when will be your independent day la ukuthi manje okay umfundisi ngemzwile uthe uAbraham wenze so okay investigating uAbraham ngalo leli khandlela liyakuthatha likubeke yebo ikhandlela kuyathakathwa strong ngalo uma ngifuna ukwazi ngokuthi kuyenzakalani kuthandi sibeko kaDlamini ukuthi kuyenzakalani empilweni yakhe lizongivezela so kuyathakathwa ngamakhandlela through ikhala and lo moya wekhandlela elibovu uma uzokhuleka ngekhandlela elibovu ulwise abathakathi ngalo lo moya wakho because of now awunawo amadlozi owahlambululayo kuyophakama amadlozi nawo angenawo ukuthula ngoba ufuna ukuwasebenzisa so they will go there and then impilo yakhe izoba njani emakhosini akuyokhanya please don't forget to like and subscribe